Faraz Khan, ranked for distributor with NHT Global and a founder member with Team Eagle. So, guys, welcome to the family. We're excited, we are innovative, we are improving daily. So, thing is, I'm creating this presentation for the team to have an idea of true matching bonuses. This is truly a system which pays you even beyond your imagination, because this is something which is a truly a structure wherever people coming in from your team size structuring into your in your circle of outer left and outer right, it is definitely going to multiply in your business count. So this is something which is truly awarding, and this is something which really excites a lot of distributors, because NHT Global is a hybrid business. We pay you the highest commission of 49%. We also, that is something on a volume share. So that is something truly rewarding the distributors, because NHT truly knows that by rewarding the distributors, that's the only way you can see growth in a network marketing industry. And why not? Leadership all begins with truly awarded to their distributors, because I always sell in my presentation rewards, recognition, and incentive. There are three areas. If you can take care and you can truly give your distributors that kind of recognition, they're going to make it exciting, because every morning they get up, they're going to go out in the market and put up all that goes into the market to get it excited and put that blast over in the system. So, guys, now, two matching bonuses is a perfect match for your business. Why? Single payout, multiple benefits. So it's multiple time you get the benefit through your binary circles, through your generation circles, through your person matching up their check circles. So it's like a crazy growth to your multiple. And though even if you don't sponsor those people directly, they will still be counted into your system, because if there is a way where you can enjoy people's check match by your direct sponsor in your deep leg also. So how this works, I'm going to give you a little in-depth information. So every direct member who matches this check, we get paid. So it's amazing. So anybody on your 20th level or 30th level, whoever is matching up the check, it gets truly rewarded into your account. So one volume, multiple benefits. So one volume goes to your entire team, everybody who's in the structure. Like for instance, if I sponsor somebody, he goes and sits on the 10th leg of mine, and all those 10 people on the left outer side, if they're sitting, they all will get the benefit of the PV. For instance, if I have sponsored on my 11th leg a 1000 PV, all those other 10 people and my upline will get the benefit of the 1000 PV. So it truly awards and rewards the entire structure, that everybody gets the power to enjoy the volume. Yeah. So it's truly something. It's a true matching bonuses. This is one of the stream of income of NHT Global. That's not the only stream of income, as I tell. So now every bonuses on the commission cycle generated through your personally sponsored downline, who you personally sponsor, up to 3 levels deep in your generation tree. So when you make your left, you make your right, you qualify. Then whenever you sponsor your 1, 2, and 3, no matter if they even fall on your 100th leg or 1000 leg, if they are your direct sponsor, you've directly sponsored them, no matter where they fall, they're going to be your generation 1. Okay. Now, in your gold and platinum, for your generation 1, the level 1, you get 10%. For your emerald, you get 5%. In your ruby, you get 3%. Alright. For level 2, it's only paid to gold and platinum is 5. For emerald, is paid 3. For ruby, you're not paid. For gold and platinum, again, you get 3% in level 3. Okay. Here you get 0. Here you get 0. So truly is gold and platinum, because it's for serious business people who look for the business for long term, people who want to commit for them for a long term intention of clarity, that they want to do this business with clear working standards. Now if we need to understand the true rewarding program, how can we make this income? Now it's very simple. As I was just explaining, gold and platinum, emerald, ruby, three areas where you can start your business. You can talk to the person who's introduced you this business. He will tell you exactly why gold and platinum is a very serious business proposition for every distributor. Emerald for people who want to use the product. If they have a salon or spa, it really makes a lot of sense for them to have the product. Okay. Ruby is for people who just test the product, try the product. One product, you can't do business. So it's for people who just want to test it, not for serious business proposition kind of opportunity. Now, your levels, for 3 levels, as I explained, 10, 5, and 3. For gold and platinum, emerald is 2 levels, 5 and 3. For ruby is 1 level. Now, what they've done is, for India, is they have done an extension of another 4th level. 4 levels down from your 3 goes to 4, 5, 6, 7. you can reach there. Only the criteria is to get the rank 7 and you get 1% extra. So you go 7 generation down. So that's good news, guys. And there is no requirement to get those people topped up to gold or something for crew matching. So that becomes really beneficial for all distribution system. Now, getting forward from here, I've created a diagram to give you a brief information how this really pays off the distribution. Now, for instance, is like if you look over here in this chart, is very simple. This is you. You brought your left and you brought your right. This is your first criteria for qualification, which you have fulfilled. Now, if you see Julie, who is making $1,000 check, okay, what happens? You have sponsored Julie directly. You're going to make 10% on her check. So you're going to make $100. So this $100 is going to be pushed into your account, right? Now this $100, if I have sponsored you, right? So I will make also 10% on this $100 because she is my direct sponsor. So that will also hit into my account, right? So this becomes truly rewarding that every person who matches up the check, your upline who's directly sponsored you will also make the matching bonuses of 10% as a gold and platinum distributor. So this becomes a real system to make big money on truly getting your people to make money. So this is one area where the company is making people excited to help other people to earn. So if they earn, you get it. Like for a simple example, if I want to make $5,000, so I'll have to find 5 good distributors down my direct, no matter which side I place them. I just have to help them to make approximately is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. If they're making $10,000 each month, I'm sitting duck, I'm on true matching, I'm just making $5,000. So it's helping people to make money and you get truly rewarded with that. And you can also earn from them another deep levels too. It's like level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, level 7. So this becomes truly a great proposition to reach extension of making extra money out of their businesses, of their check matches. So helping people to make checks is going to be truly rewarding right now. Now if you look at Ria, now Ria is sponsored by Julie, okay. Now this is her first level, right? Now her first level she'll be paid 10%. So if Ria is made $1,000, so Julie will be paid 10%, that is $100, right? Now this is my level 2, right? The lady over here who you have sponsored is your level 2, right? So this level 2, $1,000, I'll match 5%. So how much is that? $50, right? So this has come to you. Plus she made $100 here, right? On this Ria's payment. So this person is going to make 10% on $100, so she gets $10. So the money is just coming in. It's just multiplying. Now I'll give you another example. Like Sam. Sam is your direct sponsor. Okay. He's come to your 10th leg, right? Now what happens is when he's come to your 10th leg, so all those people above him, all the volume what he brings in, it all goes to his outer left, outer right, wherever you guys have sponsored him. So this entire volume will be going to the entire team. So whoever is matching their binary cycles, the cycle bonuses, even their check match, and in that case you have sponsored Ria. Ria has matched a cycle, okay. She has made $100. Again, she is the direct, she'll make 10%. You'll make 10% of $100, right? Plus you'll make 5% on her. So you're making double income out of it. So you're making on her check also, you're making on her check also because she's a level 2. You're getting what I'm saying? So though you have sponsored this person down in 10th leg, you're making $100 right over here. If that person is matching up a 1,000 PV sale or he's bringing $1,000 of check, so you're making $100 no matter if he's sitting on your 10th leg, because it will go and sit on your last sponsor ID in your genealogy of your outer left or your outer right. So this becomes truly rewarding for any distribution. So that is why it's true matching bonuses which NHT Global rewards. Now like on the other side, I have Roy. I've directly sponsored him. He made $1,000 check. Okay, so you make 10%, that's $100. So again, if I have sponsored this lady, I also will make the $10 up there, right? Now we'll talk about Benny. Now Benny is made a $1,000 check on the 20th level. Now she's sitting on the 20th level on her right structure, and you make 10% out of a check, right? So she's going to make $100 of Benny, which you can see right here. Plus she is the generation 1 of the person who sponsored, is sitting above her on the 20th leg. So all the 20 people who come in that structure, they all will get the volumes of her, whatever she brings into the structure. So this becomes truly rewarding. That binary, many will give you $100 plus your upline makes 10% on the check, plus the team on the 20th level will get all the PV. If she got 1000 PV, all will be counted for the entire team structure. Everybody's binary who matches, they'll be making the money. And if those people who match their binary, if by any chance you have sponsored 3 of them, all those 3 binaries, $100, $10, $30 will come to you. So this becomes a total rewarding system for the entire team, for basically just helping the distribution for getting into truly matching their checks. So this is one example which I really wanted to give you. It is an overall proposition how you can help your team structure. No matter how deep the business is, you can still give them the power to make the money. So this was one thing where I wanted to give you detailed information. Rest, we have amazing training program. We have the entire structure of how you need to go forward, how you move things around, what is the kind of things you need to be a part of this system. So definitely we have the best leadership available in Dimapur, right up from Mizoram to Manipur, and right up from India anywhere. So we have the best team, the best culture, the best institution to get you started, guys. So I invite you to meet the person who's invited you to hear me out, and go back to him and listen back to him, and get started with your best choice of platinum distribution. And as Team Eagles, I invite you, I give you an invitation that this is the best growing team in India, the best culture of winning. And if you really want to be truly rewarded with your institution of getting to the right family, the right culture, I definitely would advise you that you should be a part of this growing family. So thanks for listening to me. God bless. Have a great time together. Bye-bye.